Wagwan, bro. Wagwan. Hey, yo, la, 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 la. Yo, everyone's tripping me out. Okay, stush one. Watch out. Whoa. A wall. A wall.
No, what is it? Why is this so nasty, bro?
Because you're black, you didn't know?
Doggy, doggy, doggy.
Yeah, Alex? Call the Cassie. Call.
Yo, I know Bear Cassie's name Alex, bro.
I know. Look at her face, bro.
Every Alex I come across, I always do that. Especially the one that eats fish.
Are you talking about?
Alex, the one that pulls the fish. The sexy one?
Oh.
Alex who? There's Alex. Oh, and then my Alex. Yo.
Alex.
Oh my god! I didn't even know what you talking.
What?
Who's Alex?
Alex. Wagwan.
Yo.
Wagwan, Leila. Yo, I have 2 messages right now. You saying I can't turn off my phone?
Yo. These are popping.
No.
Almonds?
M&M's all day, every day. Or this girl's almost done hers. Look at her, bro. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Okay,
Oh,
y'all.
no, don't look at me, don't look at me!
Oh shit. We have to open it?
No, look.
Bro, you look cute. Stop. Oh.
How's
Humble
that?
claws. Bitches go to work. I have messages. I have no friends. Only 2 minutes, bro? I thought that was 5. That felt like 10. You look like such a schoolgirl. Bitch, I go to work. Do the cat setting. Yeah. You look like them American girls. I'm gonna do this right now. Oh, I hope you don't ask me to open that. What? Don't fall. I know, I'm trying to hide because Curtis and Bishop right there.
Oh, you want to open it up?
Shit, why the fuck did I say his name? Because he watches our videos. Yo, we gotta cut this out. Bye. Peace, bro. See you later. To the camera, bro. See you later. Yo, that's how I edit.